Dear student, very warm good morning all of you. Chapter number 11 construction, that is exercise 1.1, question number 1. Draw a line segment of 7.76 centimeter. So first of all you will draw a line 7.6 centimeter, 7.6 centimeter, and you will be write the name, any name. Divide it into ratio 5:8, 5:8, and then 5:8 means you will be draw one acute angle here, one acute angle here, and same of this acute angle like this you will be put your compass here and then make an arc, and then here also you will be draw an arc like this. Then after you will be put your compass here and then measure this distance, and then with same distance you will be make an arc here, and then this will be join, right? So these two angle will be equal, and then after 5:8, so you will be take any distance like this of 1 centimeter or 1.5 centimeter etc. So you will be make that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and by same distance you will be make here arc also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Why we have done this one? This is a ratio is given there, and then from 8 to 5 you will be join. This is the 5:8. This is the 5:8. It means when you will measure of this one and measure of this one, then your answer will come. And then second question, that is construct a triangle 4, 5, 6 centimeter. So first of all you will be draw here 5 centimeter or any distance you can draw that one. 5 centimeter I have taken this one, and then after you will be take the 4 centimeter distance in your compass, 4 centimeter distance in your compass, and make arc like this from this point. We can write this on 1 B and this is a C, and then after you will take 6 centimeter distance in your compass, and from C point you will be make arc, so that will be A point. Join the AB and AC. This is the 4 centimeter, this is the 6 centimeter. And then after you will be draw a acute angle on a B point, right? And then there is given whose sides are 2/3 of the corresponding side of it. Means one more triangle we will draw similar triangle, that ratio is 2:3 or 2/3. So greater is here 3, so we will draw 3 arc, 2, 3 by any distance. These are any distance, but all 3 are equal, 1, 2, 3, and you will be see the denominator is 3, so we will join the 3 with C, right? And then after numerator is 2, so on the place of 2 we will draw the another triangle. So take distance, any distance, and then make arc. From here also make a arc by same distance of this one, and then this one you will be measure, and from here you will be draw the, so and join that by 2. So these two line will be parallel. Similar work we will do here. By any distance from here you will make arc, and then from here also you will make by same distance that arc, and then this one also you will be take distance in your compass, this one distance, and then from here you will be make an arc, and then you will be joined by this point. This will be, oh sorry, from here you will be joined, this will be also parallel. So this is a C dash and this is the A dash. And step of construction, how you have done, you will be right. First of all you have written that BC, so draw BC, draw BC 5 centimeter. And then similarly, step by step, you will be write the step of construction. And then this is the question number. This was the question number second. And then the third question you will be see. Third question is same thing. You will be draw 6 centimeter line, 6 centimeter, and then after you will take the distance 5 centimeter in your compass, and from B you will be draw an arc, and by 7 centimeter from C you will be make an arc. So that is a 5 centimeter. This is the 6 centimeter, or this is the A point, right? And then acute angle you will be make similarly. And then now ratio is given 7/5. 7/5. So you greater is 7, so you will be draw here 7 arc. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If the ratio is greater, then you will be measure, you will be take the less distance. So that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then it is a must, these distance will be equal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then denominator you are looking 5. So from 5 you will be joined by C. By 5 you will be joined C. And then again you will be same work you will be do from here. For 5 point you will be make an arc, and then from 7 point you will be make an arc by same distance of this one. Same distance of this one you will be make. And then after you will measure of that one, you will take the distance of this one, and you will be make an arc here. And from 7 you will be join. This is the C dash. And these line must be parallel. Must be parallel. Similarly work you will be do here by any distance, by same distance that will be, and by this distance you will be make arc, and then join by this part, and then increase of this one also. This is the A dash. Step by step you will be write the step of construction. That is a fourth question. Now the fourth question is that fourth question, construct a isosceles triangle whose base is 8 centimeter. So first of all you will draw the base 8 centimeter, B, C 8 centimeter, and then after altitude is 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter, it means you will be bisect that one, BC. Bisect means you will take the more than of a 8 centimeter distance, and then make an arc like this. This will become, or this will become from this point, this will become, this will become. So this is a bisector of this one, and then take the distance of 4 centimeter in your compass. So from this point you will be make an arc like this. This can become here, or this can become here also. So join these two. This is the A point. Now the ratio is 2 1 whole 1/3, 1 whole 1/2. That means 3/2. So you will be make an arc, acute angle, and then you will be draw 3 arc, and join by 2, 3. Denominator is 2, so you will be joined by 2. Join by 2. So that similarly you will be do that work. Similarly this one, and from here, and then I'll measure this one also by same measurement. This one distance you will be draw. This will be parallel, and then you will be increase this one. This is the C dash, and same process you will be do here. And then you are looking by this distance you will be make an arc. This will be also parallel, and then you will be join this one. This is the A dash. It means A dash, B, C dash. This is the actual triangle. And step of construction, step by step you will be write how you have done. And then question number 5. Question number 5. That is, draw a ABC triangle. That first of all draw the BC 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter, that is a BC. And then on B point you will be draw the 60 degree angle by any distance. You will be draw arc, and then by same distance this is the 60 degree. And then AB is equal to 5 centimeter. So take 5 centimeter distance, and then make an arc. That will be A, 5 centimeter. And then acute angle, that will be acute angle, and then given a ratio 3:4. So you will be draw the 4 arc. 1, 2, 3, 4 arc. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then denominator is 4. So you will be joined by denominator. And then similarly work you will be do like this and like this. By this distance you will make arc. That must be parallel. This is a C dash. Similarly work you will be do here also. By same distance of that you will be make arc. This is the A dash. Right? And then question number 6. Question number 6 will be 6. Draw a triangle ABC. BC is equal to that 7 centimeter. So that 6 BC is equal to 7 centimeter. And then on B angle 45 degree angle on the point of B, that is a BC 45 degrees. So first of all you will be draw the 90 degree angle, and then after by these 2 points you will be make arc, that is a 45 degree. And then A angle is given here. A angle is given here 105 degree, but we need to angle C here. So that is 45 plus 105 degree plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. By sum of angles of triangle is equal to 180 degree. So angle C is equal to, that is 180 minus that will be minus 150 degree. So that is angle C is equal to 30 degree. Angle C is equal to, that is 30 degree. So on a C point we will draw the 30 degree angle. So first angle is, this is a 60 degree, then after bisect, that is a A point. Now same process you will be do acute angle, and then ratio is given here. Ratio is given here that 4:3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then denominator is 3. So by 3 you will be join that. Next same thing, you will be make an arc by same distance, and then by this distance you will be make arc. This will be parallel to this one. You will be increase that one. Similarly you will be do here also same work. You can take this one distance, and then after you will be draw here by same distance of that one. This will be A dash. This will be also must be parallel. This is a C dash. And then last question is that draw a right angle triangle. The side other than the hypotenuse are the 4 centimeter and 3 centimeter. So that 7th question. So first of all you will draw the 4 centimeter distance, and then you will be draw here 90 degree angle by the compass, and then you will be take that 3 centimeter distance, and then make arc. This is the A point, this is the 3 centimeter, and then after similarly work you will be do, that is a 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then after this is a 5.3. So by 3, that is a denominator, join that by same work, that will be by same distance of that one, you will draw the parallel line, that is AC dash. By same distance of that one, by same distance of this one, this will be also parallel, you will be draw that is a dash. So this will be done like this.